Lane departure warning can help the driver keep the vehicle in its intended driving lane at speeds above approximately 40 miles per hour. An onboard camera can detect solid and dashed lane lines and monitor the track that the car is following between them. When enabled, the steering wheel will vibrate and correct direction slightly if the vehicle approaches a line without the turn signal being activated. If a turn signal is activated, lane departure warning will not intervene unless Side Assist detects a car in the vehicle's blind spot. Lane departure warning is on when the lane departure icon is visible below the speedometer. It can be turned on and off by pressing the lane departure warning button on the end of the turn signal stalk. While lane departure warning helps the driver keep the vehicle in its intended lane, lane guidance works in conjunction with other available features such as adaptive cruise assist and provides active steering input to assist with keeping the vehicle in the center of the lane. Lane guidance must first be enabled within the MMI by selecting Vehicle, Driver Assistance, the gear icon, Adaptive Cruise Assist, and then enabling lane guidance. Adaptive Cruise Assist must be active for lane guidance to function. Activate or deactivate lane guidance by pressing the button on the end of the turn signal stalk. While active, lane guidance provides steering input to assist with keeping the vehicle in the center of the lane within the limits of the system's abilities.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.